All right, guys, Jared Boulder Digital, and I'm here to talk to you about AI and the social media feed inside the AI studio of GoHighLevel. Now, I want to say a massive thank you to our sponsors, HL Pro Tools. They've been amazing for me over the past few years with servicing not only our clients, but helping us with technical stuff that we sometimes have a few questions or aha moments with. And so if you're not sure who they are, I'm dropping a link below so you can check them out. Best bit is that basically I'll get a kickback, but it doesn't affect your overall price. So let's jump into this, right? We've got the AI studio inside HighLevel. I've been doing a series of videos breaking this down. And ultimately, I wanted to show you how to get in there and start using it. So the first thing we're going to do, right, is you've got all these different versions here, a couple of things that I've been building in my recents. Let's go in here and choose our social media feed. Now, once we've chosen this, notice that it automatically starts inputting information. Okay, so it makes it mega easy for me. This is great for someone that's never done any code, they haven't done much with AI, and it allows you to then be able to, pretty much work out what you are looking for with the help of AI making suggestions, which is something that I really like. Now, if you haven't used HighLevel, if you haven't used GoHighLevel, I absolutely tell you, check it out. It is absolutely awesome. I've got a 30-day trial link below. And if you jump on board with that, I've also got some goodies I can share with you as well. Now, on the left-hand side, you're going to see that we've got creating build post feed layout. It's talking about building out post profile, the profile sidebar, the post components. Okay, and it's going through each of those different things. I like with AI Studio as well how it gives you something to actually look at and sort of engage with as it's loading in there. All right. I've replaced the external image URLs with properly downloaded assets stored in cloud storage. Boom. Check this out. This is cool already. So this is cool already. Okay. Now, we've got this next part here, and I would love if someone could drop in the comments. On my mouse, I've got a side scroll and I can scroll through all the different options, but I'm also aware that some people don't have a scroll button where they can scroll left to right. So if you know a hack to be able to do that, drop it in the comments below. Now we've got add a dark mode toggle to the sidebar, implement a modal for creating posts with an image preview, add a dedicated profile page with tabs for posts, replies, and likes. I like all of that. Let's go with the dark mode. And we've got Alex, the developer, building cool things with React and Tailwind. Don't really know what that means, but I definitely know what a coffee enthusiast is because I'm one of them. All right, cool. So you can see that the dark mode's already being applied here. And we've done this in under 4 minutes. Can you imagine trying to do this manually? Sweet. All right. So we've got the dark mode. But where is the toggle? Oh, there. Light mode, dark mode, boom. Dark mode, sweet. Profile, got our notifications. What else have we got? Let's go add a dedicated profile page view with tabs for post replies and likes. I think that'd be cool. Then we might implement the modal for creating posts with image previews. This is cool because you can actually see the different people being in there and posting as well. Oh, take me there. Tassie doesn't have anything like that. Tassie's got awesome landscapes, but not like this. Let us know if you know where places like that exist, apart from New Zealand or Lord of the Rings. All right, it's creating the profile page. Updating navigation. All right, I created a new dedicated profile page with a header and tabs for posts, replies, and likes. I've also updated the sidebar to link to the new profile page. Let's have a look at the profile page. Boom. Yes. Look at this. So you can see how easy it is to be able to do this, right? You could even have edit profile and you could build that out as well. So implement a media tab for the profile page, add an edit profile dialog for form fields. So let's add that in. So notice as you're building out each of these areas that the AI is already looking at everything that it's building out and building suggestions upon that. And this is great for people that might not know what should be on these things. They might have interacted with it or want to build something out for a client, but it's just a really quick fire way of being able to get it in there. And there's so many things inside the AI Studio that it can do. And so many people focus on the landing pages, but there's a heap more behind that. And naturally, you want to just be able to look at the things that work for you to move the needle. Okay, you might be building apps for someone. You can use it in here. Landing pages. I know that I've done a weather forecast, which was fun. I know that I've done a scheduling one for scheduling tasks, and it just goes on and on and on. Okay, so edit profile. We've now got added the edit profile page. So if we go to profile and then edit profile, boom, JRock. Then we've got our username, JRock Boulder Digital. And then we go through here, save some of those changes. So the save changes doesn't work. So save changes in the edit profile doesn't look to be working. So notice that I ran into that little hiccup there where I've gone through it all and then tried to save it. And then notice it hasn't given me the chance to save those in there. And again, it's just incredible. Look, thought for 10 seconds. It's adding in things here. Brilliant. And we've been able to do all of this in under 10 minutes. It's just insane how quick you can get something like this together. You could make this for a small community. You could make it for your mates. You could make it for a business, where you can keep people engaged, connected, talking about updates. Really, really cool. All right. They've now made the edit profile page functional. Let's go in here again, edit profile, JRock, Boulder Digital, save changes. Boom. Look at that. That's how easy it is. So if you're someone that's new to HighLevel, if you're someone that's using HighLevel, I've been fortunate to be sponsored with HighLevel, be on their podcast, be able to build things for people in the US, UK, Canada, and of course, here, mate, in Australia. So if that sounds like something where you want to have a chat, let's connect. I would love to be able to do that. Jared from Boulder Digital. See you on the next video.